In this video, I show you how to fix something went wrong with Instagram. Instagram closed because this app has a bug. Try updating the app after its developer provides fix a error. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store, then search Instagram, click on Instagram. Now up to date your Instagram from here. If available any update version, then go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, tap on it, then tap on see all apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on it, tap on photo stop, then OK. Then tap on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now tap on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now open your Instagram app. Now I hope that this method fix something went wrong with Instagram. Instagram closed because this app has a bug problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.